Let's take a look at our second question, evaluating variable expressions. Some books call this algebraic expressions. So we got x plus y when x is equal to negative 9/10 and y is equal to negative 3/5. Now, how you evaluate a variable expression, an algebraic expression, is everywhere you have a variable, put in parentheses. Now where the x was, I'm going to put in negative 9/10. Where the y was, I put in negative 3/5. Which gives us negative 9/10 minus 3/5. We need to get a common denominator. Now I'm going to show the steps here, especially if you go in like some certain fields like nursing. You have to know how to do these by hand. To find the least common denominator, we list each denominator down. We got 10 and 5, and we write prime factorization of each one. 10 is 2 times 5, and 5 is already prime, so we don't have to do anything with it. Now you look at each prime, the 2 first, and we're looking for the greatest number of 2's in any single line. There's 1 here, none here, so the greatest number of 2's in any single line is 1. Then I go to the 5. I'm looking for the greatest number of 5's in any single line. There's 1 here, so the greatest number of 5's in any single line is 1. So 2 times 5 would give us 10 for a common denominator. Now, this one is pretty easy, but those same steps will work on any of those. Now this one already has a 10, so I don't need to do anything with it. This one I multiplied the bottom part by 2 to get my new denominator, so I have to multiply the top part by 2. So that gives me negative 9/10 minus 6/10. Now they have the same denominator, so I add or subtract the top parts. In this case, negative 9, negative 6 gives us negative 15/10. And then we simplify the fraction. They're both divisible by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, so we got negative 3 over 10 divided by 5 is 2. So our answer is negative 3/2. And that matches C.